Hi, this is Gary Kay. We are here at InfoComm 2023, and I'm here with Keith Yanke, the Vice President of Product Marketing for Sharp-NEC. First off, right behind us, big LED. Obviously, big images and bright images are in your DNA.
Yes, yeah. So what we're showing here is our FE series. This is our 0.9 millimeter. We have a wide range of that fine pixel pitch in all of our LED series lineups. We have that good, better, best type of approach with LED like we do with our other display technologies.
And Keith has offered to take me on a booth tour to kind of get a feel for what it's like to be here at the show. But don't forget, we actually went and shot individual product videos at every single one of these product stations. So you can go to raypubs.com/infocom and type in Sharp or NEC actually in the video search window, and they'll pop up. And obviously, well, what's a commercial TV? Are you referring to monitors now as commercial TVs, or is this an application where you're putting a television in a bar or restaurant?
So we've classified this 4PB series as a commercial TV. What does that mean? What that means is we're providing a commercial type display. So from a feature set, functionality, warranty standpoint, that is where the commercial part of it comes into play. But the TV part comes in, there's features related to TV as well. So the tuner, the mechanical design, the overall look and feel of the product, that's where the TV aspect comes in.
So this would commonly be used, I mean, a good application for this would be a doctor's office, dentist's office, a bar, a restaurant, that kind of stuff, where you're still going to use TV signals as your primary source, but you can also connect it up and use it for anything else.
Exactly, yeah. So you can still connect it up to some sort of computing device with a digital connection, as well as then you do have, again, some of that control aspects built into the display as well.
Right, and obviously sizes go up to what?
Up to 86 inches on this category. Most of our series go up to 86 or 98, again, depending on which series it is.
All right, where are you taking me next?
All right, we're going to wrap around here. We'll start over on this tall wall here. So here we're showing a number of new products. So down below we've got our new M series large screen sizes. So what we're showing here is the M70 75 and the M86. So 75 inch and 86 inches. So this is replacing our current V series product in those large screen sizes.
Is this touch?
Both of these right now we're not showing as touch. So these are non-interactive. These are just standard displays for digital signage or conference corporate room type of application.
So instead of putting a projector in a room, or maybe you don't need an image as big as what a projector will bring you, you can use this as a presentation display.
Absolutely, yeah. So those medium to smaller meeting rooms can use these type of displays. But if you do need that larger display up above, we've got our latest in the PA series projectors. So currently we max out at 10,000 lumens, but the one we're showing here is the PA 1705. So we're going to have...
Where is it?
So it's sitting on top behind us here.
Okay, so we can't see it. But
Yeah, so we're displaying on a 130-inch diagonal daylight screen with this PA series projector. So we're achieving 17,000 lumens with a laser light source, all of the other functionality and connectivity.
17,000?
17,000.
How big is the projector?
It's actually just a little bit bigger than our current PA series, so it's not much. It's a lot smaller than the projectors used to be with the laser light source.
That is crazy.
Yeah, we're able to achieve a lot higher brightness in a smaller form factor than even last year.
In the native resolution.
Wide UXGA is the native resolution of this solution.
All right, and where are we heading now?
All right, then we're going to quickly just turn to our right, and we're going to highlight our MA series. So this is more of our better or best type of product series for digital signage. Yeah. So we're showing a 43, 49, and 55 inch. What makes it a better or best type of product is the screen brightness, the haze of the product, so we're blocking out that ambient light so it doesn't provide that reflectivity. We've got optional source via computing, via the SDM connector, as well as a full range of connectivity on this.
So is it OPS or SDM?
SDM on this product.
Okay, gotcha. And then, of course, is this the projector? Is this one we were looking at?
Yeah, so this is the PA 1004. So the PA 1705 is just a little bit, I would say probably 10% bigger than this. So not significant.
17,000 amp lumens from this is pretty amazing. That's amazing.
Yes, it is. Yeah.
Especially when you and I got in the industry, yes. A projector this size would do only 200 amp lumens. Oh, by the way, you can see it if you look up there and kind of zoom in with your fingers there. We can zoom. There you go. You can see it up there, and that's 17,000. So it's about the same size as that.
It's not much difference in size.
In fact, I think width-wise, it's probably the same. It's just a little taller.
Yes, correct.
All right. So what do we have over here? Where are we going next?
We're going right here. So this is our large E series, and this is the 98-inch version. So this is replacing our current C98, and we'll be moving forward in E series. And again, same connectivity as you're used to with CV or our other message series type products in a 98-inch size. So we'll also have an 86 and 75-inch in the same category. Up above is that PA 1004 projector that we just saw as a static projector on the side here. We're just showing it live on a 130-inch screen size.
And remember, as we go through this tour, we actually shot videos at each one of these product stations, so you can actually see all those and get more in-depth at ravepubs.com/InfoComm. Now, earlier today, when I was at Rave TV, we did an actual live demo of Navisense.
Yes.
It's come a long way, and I would encourage you to go watch the demo of Navisense because this is a great new category for integrators to get into. Sort of like it's part potential security and part potential, workflow process. Like the example of I love the example of you bring a suitcase to an airport, and it shoots the suitcase and tells you this is too big to carry on.
Yeah, exactly.
Example like that.
Yes, exactly. And really what this plays in perfectly with the display market that we're already selling display products into, whether it's airports, whether it's the corporate, education, entertainment, restaurants. They could all utilize technology like Navisense in helping guide, in the airport instance, helping guide customers to really, okay, I've got a check-in bag, let me go, this is where I need to go to check it in, or to also help at the gate to help airlines become more efficient in that boarding process by, again, trying to guide customers into checking in possibly bags that are or could be considered checked in at the gate earlier than waiting till the boarding process begins.
Yeah, and you can check it all out at Navisense. So it's Navisense. You can see that at NEC as well, Sharp-NEC display.com. So check that out to get more details on it. All right, so you've got like a little meeting area here.
Yeah, so quickly over here, we've probably talked to you, Gary, a number of times on Naviset over the years. What's different with this is our server edition. So we've brought it to an on-premise, more enterprise type of solution. So, and what Naviset is it's control managing all of the NEC and Sharp displays over a large deployment.
Does that include every display format, including LED?
So LED, no. LED is the one product right now we're currently not managing through Naviset, but projectors, display products in both brands, Sharp and NEC, we're able to control through this Naviset Server Edition.
All right, so and then that includes all firmware upgrades and anything you might need to do for the product in the future as well?
Depending on product, yeah, we do have some capability of doing firmware updates through it, but for the most part, we're focused on that management and control aspect of it, yes.
All right, excellent. So if I was running a digital signage network and I wanted to make sure everything was on, make sure everything is off, or turn things on and off, that can all be done through Navis.
Exactly, and really how that helps, like let's say higher education, for example, if you've got a campus with hundreds or thousands of displays, the IT department is already stretched thin from a resource standpoint.
We can automate that.
So we can automate that. We can give them alerts if they notice a product is not on, or let's say something is not working on a projector, so we can make their lives a lot less stressful with a solution like Naviset.
Yep. Okay. So the Multisync UN series?
The Multisync UN series. So this is our video wall product, not new. It's been around forever. This is our ultra narrow bezel 55-inch. What we're showing here is, first of all, that we're still in this business. So there is still a need for this type of product for larger screen sizes where maybe cost is an issue. They can't afford LED, so they'll need to go to a backup like a UN type of solution. What we're showing here is we've integrated with our partner TSI Touch. We've integrated touch onto each one of these panels, still making it one canvas, so you've got that touch flow throughout the whole process, and we've just created a little type of demo here that we can look at product images, product drawings, and product brochures.
Yeah, so I mean, I could see this as a combination digital signage, wayfinding application as well.
Exactly, on a larger screen, because you can do it over a number of displays and have that single surface touch experience.
Yeah. Okay, so obviously someone's been playing with your Aqueous board here.
Yes, yeah, so we've got our full lineup of Aquos products here. This is the PNL2B series. So this is our top of the line, or our best in the Aquos board solutions. We'll get here shortly to the other side where we're showing the rest of them. But again, we do, even in the Aquos board, have that good, better, best solution, because we know customers have different needs from a feature functionality, but also a price standpoint. So we try to give customer options when they're looking at collaborative solutions as well.
And this is what size is it, 84?
This is an 86-inch that we're looking at right now. Yep.
All right. And where are we heading next?
Yeah, so we're going to go back here. And so this is our F-Series LED. So this is our chip-on-board, or COB LED solution. And what's nice about COB is it's more robust than a typical LED product. Right. So what this enables us to do is it enables us to put this solution in high traffic areas like a train station, airport, where people might bump into it, might bump a bag into it.
Hit it,
it's not going to get damaged. It's more durable. This is, yes, exactly, Gary. So this is touch. So we've integrated, again, through our partner TSI Touch. They've put an IR overlay over this 110-inch solution, creating that interactive experience. So again, from a usage standpoint, it doesn't necessarily just need to be a big sign. We can now make it more of an experience by adding that touch aspect.
It's kind of amazing to think, because I would have never imagined LED being touch.
Exactly, yeah, and so that's the nice thing about COB is we can now integrate touch into it.
So it makes it more durable, finer density of pixels as well.
Exactly, yes.
All right, so we're going to head around and see the other Aqueous board product line. And this is your good, your better, and your best?
Yeah.
Or your best, your good, and your better?
So, yeah, good on the flip side. Here's our better. So this is our PNLC series, which just launched at the beginning of June. Actually, maybe last month in May, but officially priced on June 1st. And then this is the good solution. So we've got the 4WB. This is for this, primary education, K through 12, trying to reach a certain price point, but still offering a robust feature set of built-in interactivity type tools.
Be the kind of board that would replace the smart boards that have been there for years.
Exactly. And if some of the school districts have a little more money, they can upgrade to the PNLC, which is giving you a little bit more from the...
see this more in K through 12, this more in higher ed and meeting rooms.
Higher ed, yeah, definitely higher ed, some small to medium business or some corporate, but definitely the PNL2B product is more for like that Fortune 100, Fortune 500 type customer.
So one of the cool products that we're getting a sneak peek for here at the show is this. This is a color e-paper. You don't even have a name for it yet, right? Because it's kind of a proof of concept. Right?
Yeah, exactly. It is. We're looking at this from an innovation standpoint at the show. So gathering feedback from our channel partners as well as our end customers to gauge what sort of interest there is for this product.
I mean, I think it's going to be interesting. And what's interesting about e-paper is the more ambient light you have, the brighter it gets.
Exactly. This strives on more light. Right. So
the opposite of everything.
Exactly, because it doesn't have a backlight. It needs the light to make that image more vibrant and more visible.
You can see as I put it in the light how much brighter it is than when I put it in the dark. But what's interesting about this is, as it's e-paper, it's not using any power unless you're changing the signal or changing the whatever's being displayed. And I'm assuming, do you have a battery? Would the plan be to have this as a battery-operated product that maybe you charge once a year or something, or what are you thinking?
Yeah, so you're absolutely right. How we're showing this now is with a static paper or static sign, which is replacing a typical or old style paper solution. So the way you're viewing this product right now is there is no power connected to it at all. So this image has been uploaded to it, power was removed, and now that image will stay there until you need to change it to another image, where then it will require a power to change that,
or a battery.
That image or a battery. And so right now, we're showing it without power, but the plan is if we go to market with this, we'll have a hard AC connection, but there also will, that hard AC connection will be USB-C, so you can easily connect, and there will be a spot or a space for a battery pack, 100 watt on the 25-inch, 65 watt size on the 13-inch for that battery pack. And what that allows you is, of course, don't have to have an AC connection directly at the display. So if you needed to
you do a Wi-Fi basically and change it through Wi-Fi. And in fact, you could have a coffee shop that turns into a wine restaurant, and the menu changes from one in the morning versus the afternoon using the same display, and it could be automated that way.
Yes, exactly.
And with e-paper color, you'd probably only have to charge a couple of times a year.
Yeah,
how big your battery was.
We're estimating that if you're only doing infrequent changes, you probably get 4 to 6 months on a battery. So maybe once to twice a year you would have to change it. So yes. So from an update standpoint, again, you're using fewer resources to have to manage this type of solution compared to paper. If you have to send someone out, replace it. So that's the advantage of
more ecologically friendly.
Yes, from a sustainability standpoint, this solution is much more friendly than the paper solution, for sure.
All right, did we miss anything, or are we done?
I think we're good. I think that pretty much covers
All right.
everything.
So again, we shot videos at every single station here, so you get more details on anything we talked about. Go to raypubs.com/InfoComm, type in Sharp or NEC in the video search window. And of course, you can always go to sharpnecdisplays.com, and sharpnecdisplays.com. And Keith, it's always great to have you do these tours for me. You and I have known each other for probably 25 years, maybe 30 years now.
Yes.
And it's been a heck of a ride in the industry. Oh, we should show one more product. 16 by 9, the FE series LED. This I saw at ISE as a prototype.
Yes.
This is an actual product now, right?
Yeah, this is an actual product. So this has been launched. It's available. So what we've done is with this, we're showing this in FE. We can do it in really all of our LED series, but a 21 by 9 solution for those corporate customers that are looking to create that Teams room environment. This is the solution that you can go with. So what we're showing here is a 104-inch diagonal 0.9 pixel pitch LED display.
Yeah, and that's awesome. So you can check it out. That's the FE series LED. And of course, as I said, go to raypubs.com/InfoComm, type in Sharp or NEC in the video search window. And while we're signing out here, I'm going to use my Dyson vacuum. Oh, it's dead. My vacuum is dead. So I can't suck this off. I love doing that. But anyway, last time I did that at the NEC booth last year, I broke one. So maybe they don't want me doing that anymore. All right. Thanks for watching.